What's going on, guys? I'm Franky Gomez, and welcome back to Darkcried Reacts. So today, I'll be reacting to Sonic Boom. Okay. Okay, that didn't take long. Okay, so we just need the title card to defeat all of Eggman's robots. Okay.
You can't lose me, Egghead! Eggman! You know my name is Dr. Eggman! You do that on purpose! Do what, Egghead?
Alright. Nice scarf, Sonic. Interesting sports tape.
It all ends here, old friend. Prepare to be destroyed by Burnbot. So what, he's gonna burn me with flamethrowers or something? Acid? Incendiary grenades? No. Claws, yes, claws, very painful claws.
So,
Well, you should have called him Clawbot, or
yeah.
Delacerator, or Ninjatron 9000, but Burnbot. I mean, that's just false advertising. I name the robot Sonic.
So, it's called Burnbot, but okay, never mind, Eggman. Alright. So, it's a foot race, and there's Tails. Okay, so now Sonic has a watch. Alright. And now Tails has a use besides flying a plane. Alright then. It's gonna get you! Psych! Alright.
Get up!
God damn it!
Fail, Tails, fail!
Nice. Well, Tails can fly, so I hope he's smart, but I hope he's smart enough to realize that. A flying fox. You could use the title card. Well, there goes my airplane.
We'll be back, Sonic.
As always.
You are heavy. Seriously, Burnbot. You can stand to burn a few calories.
Alright. Okay, so Tails is not really that smart. You can fly.
Keep resting, pal. I'll get you home. Promise. I'll never let anything like this happen to you again.
Yes, it will. That time we caught a red fish. That time we had chili dogs. Now you got sports tape on your ear.
Great. Ready to get back in action.
Yeah, about that. I've got some great news. You, my friend, are taking early retirement.
Early
Wait,
retirement?
Yeah,
you're wearing gloves and sports tape on top of it?
I don't have grandkids.
Well, now's your chance to get some. Trust me, it's for the best. I'll see
But
you
he's
around.
8.
Wait, what just happened?
I fired you.
Okay, just checking.
Damn.
Don't look at me like that. I did what
Best
I had to do.
friends. Nice.
Now we're gonna make sure Tails stays retired.
Way to replace your best friend.
Candidates welcome. Best candidate gets the job. Resume and references required. Can you believe this? A resume and references aren't unreasonable, sir. Especially in this job market.
Also, I'll like the discount version of
What fool would want to be
I forgot the robots' names from Sonic X.
every day with him?
It was
Enjoying
Bonku
his
and something
friendship
else.
and respect.
So a red and yellow version of them.
Not me, that's for sure. Unless... Lousy security camera.
Nice. Okay, Amy, Knuckles.
I'm Amy Rose, and I'll be auditioning for for the part of Sidekick.
Amy, I know who you are.
Great, because I am fine with nepotism. Oh, and under special skills, you can add juggling and singing. Oh, and the Saints go marching.
Okay.
Next!
My biggest
I'm alright with it so far. It's just I heard that don't really like some.
Improv. I love improv. I'm a crazy pizza man who juggles and sings. Oh, and the Saints
That's it.
go marching in.
I think you would be a great sidekick for
Oh
me.
boy.
No, Knuckles. I'm looking for someone to be my sidekick. We'd have to change your name, though. I'm thinking Knuckles Jr. Okay. Last question.
Tails.
What would you do in a no-win
It's
situation?
Tails, isn't it?
If I'm with you, there's no such thing as a no-win situation.
Huh. You really get it, new guy.
I do get it, but I'm not a new guy. In reality, I am none other than...
Just give me a moment. Try to be cool.
Tails, you cannot be my sidekick.
All qualified candidates welcome. Best candidate gets the job. I'm a lock.
Damn.
Unless there's something you're not telling me.
Fine, but get ready for the tryout of your life. Hello?
Eggman!
What are you doing here?
My name is Dr. Eggman, and I'm here about the sidekick position.
Well,
Nice.
But you're my arch nemesis.
That's true.
Well,
But I could be a valuable asset to your organization.
in some shows,
For
they
example,
do
I'm
team
a
up
doctor.
occasionally.
A real doctor, a PhD, but still,
You can't be my sidekick.
all qualified candidates welcome.
Damn.
Okay, fine. You both
First your best friend, and now you're arch enemy.
Neither one of you is gonna be
God
my
damn it.
sidekick.
Who else is there?
Actually, do you validate parking?
Congratulations, you're the third candidate.
Great.
Actually,
So,
Alright. Being my sidekick is no
I
easy
guess
task.
Knuckles and
This
Amy are
competition
out.
will test your strength, stamina, and endurance.
So when the sticks come
the
along,
winner will be whoever makes it through.
actually, it's whomever.
The winner
Grammar
will be
Nazi.
whomever makes it through all of the unimaginable hardships and brings me the red flag I planted atop the incredibly dangerous but inaccurately named Mount Safety.
nice.
Actually,
That's alright so far. It's just, it's not what I grew up watching, like Sonic X. But then again, some people say Sonic X was bad. That's one way to get rid of the competition.
I'm okay.
Yeah, I grew up watching Sonic X. Some people don't like it. Sonic Boom, I question,
What's going on here?
Nothing I can't handle.
because some people say that Sonic Boom's kind of like Sonic 06, kind of. And to be honest, I like Sonic 06 because of the story and Silver the Hedgehog.
I'm just gonna lie down in the fetal position and wait.
Okay,
Give up, Eggman.
and that Beaver's not heard of again, as far as I know.
Sonic sidekick, you nincompoop. I'm here to get rid of you both once and for all.
Damn. So it's that's how it's gonna be. Still in midair, terrible aim. Oh crap! Not again. There I go again. Oh no, no! He said he wasn't gonna allow that to happen again. Damn it! My one weakness: ice and water.
I'm stuck.
Damn it! There goes the airplane. Still horrible aim.
Tails, I didn't really want to fire you. I was just trying to protect you.
How? By
It's not
putting me
you,
in
it's
more
me.
danger?
The plan had holes.
Oh, Sonic! I have one
Oh,
last
6.
surprise for you. I took your advice. Burnbot can burn things.
Okay, that makes sense. Oh crap, my one weakness. Water. Couldn't imagine if this Sonic can swim.
I can't swim.
Never mind. Tails, why couldn't you fly? You could have done that to prevent injuries.
Get out of here!
That's not how sidekicks do.
You know, if Tails jumped out of the plane and flew, we could have avoided this entire episode. It would have been 3 to 4 minutes long. Yeah. Well, I guess the robot can't swim. We out,
I'll be back with a new robot.
as always.
Who has an accurate name and super laser eyes. And he'll feed me ham. Evil ham.
Alright then.
About this job, what are the hours like?
Well, it's 7 days a week, but you get your own plane.
Yeah, we just have to rebuild it.
Let me in! I demand a callback! Knuckles, what's wrong?
Knuckles Jr. isn't working out.
Oh.
Okay.
So you're saying you need I'm a crazy pizza
Oh, great.
man who juggles and sings.
Amy and Knuckles. Great.
Knucklina!
Well, thanks for watching, guys. Who liked it, do Darkcried every Friday, and get see you next week. So, bye. Joker.
A favor.
Morgan Freeman.
The terms, good man.
My awesome bat suit.